Good morning, everyone. Brendan Volks, the gentleman here with you. I am your sales guy. This is Thursday morning, Booth and Vanguard's business tip of the day. This morning, to all you tradesmen, you siders, you plumbers, you electrical guys, electricians, I guess you call them, roofers, all of those guys out there banging hammers and doing the hard work that not a lot of people want to do. I have so much respect for you, and today is for you. Going forward, a lot of this is going to be for you because I've decided to transition a little bit to, not a little bit, but transition to helping mostly trades guys, maybe the odd financial guy or something, but trades guys, I love you. I want to help you as much as I can. So this morning, this is for you. Historically, you guys suck at collecting data and putting it together into useful sales material. So just a prime example of this is you collect all the information you need for billing and you just file it away. A lot of you I know still use hard copies, and you don't use any of that for marketing or advertising purposes and or sales, upsells or whatever, follow-up. And so today, this is for you. What you need to do is you need to sit down at a computer or find someone that can sit down at a computer, catalog all the information, first name, last name, phone number, email address, all into an Excel file. So then that can be uploaded to a tool like MailChimp or a CRM like Sales Domination System or HubSpot or something. Sales Domination System, though, is rad. You even have an app for your phone. Then you can use that to make your phone calls, follow up on notes. You can use that to sell, market, etc. So you can continue to grow your business and build on top of the success I know you're already having. So if you want help with this, I'm your guy. If you don't have someone to help you out with this, I'm your guy. Give me a call. Give me a text, DM me, whatever you want to do. I can help you out with this. Catalog, take all that data. I will do it over the course of a few evenings, catalog it all for you, and then we could talk about what comes next, whether you want to use a CRM to hold all that data, whether you want to do some marketing and advertising, social media, whatever it is. I'm here to help you guys. But that's what you need to do to take the first step towards growing your business, is cataloging all of that data. That's it for me, guys. May your coffee always be hot and your day a successful one. Bye for now.